Hi, this is Kelly from Play Learn Talk, and this is a tutorial for In the Kitchen with Miss Kitty, a resource you can use with your speech therapy students during virtual sessions to target things like vocabulary, requesting, following directions, making statements and choices, turn taking, and much more. Here is our instruction page. This is going to be a uncover the hidden picture type game, as well as including 3 built-in games. I'm going to show you a demonstration of each of those in just a moment, but here are our instructions. Underneath each item, there's a piece of a hidden mystery picture. In order to discover this hidden mystery picture, you must put all the items in the brown box on the right. So you're basically helping Miss Kitty put all the supplies, the kitchen supplies, into the brown box. Click on any item that you like. If it is ready to go in the box, you're going to hear a ding sound. Then you get to drag that item into the box. That's what you want. If you click an item and hear a whoops sound, that means that item is not ready to go in yet, and that means your turn is over. This game is really great to play in a small group as it really encourages turn taking. When you select an item that does not want to go in, it automatically becomes the next player's turn. So they get to guess an item basically. Only one item at a time wants to go in, so choose wisely. All right, so we're going to click Ready to Play, and that's going to bring us to our main navigation menu. So we have 3 different boxes we can choose from with a little playful fun here. So box number 1 says choose me, number 2 says no, choose me, and then number 3 says me, me, me. So based on your students' personalities, they're going to select different numbers, right, or different number boxes. So let's go ahead and look at the framework of every single game. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one we choose. Let's just go with number 1. So here's the structure. We have 9 vocabulary items. These are all, things that we use to cook with or to eat food with, right? So no food items here. So we have our pot, we have our saucepan, bowl, dishes, cup, fridge, microwave, stove and oven, and then our slow cooker. So down at the bottom we have a carrier sentence, I want, and then a question mark. You can use this for your students to fill in the actual label of the vocabulary item. We also have a little kitty here, and you can move the kitty over to really emphasize an item that your student has selected. If you're using this during virtual therapy, right, your student says, I want the cup, you can have them say, I want cup, I want fridge, okay? So whatever it is that they want to try to see if it's going to go in, they would click on it. So we'll click on fridge, and that actually was the one that was the correct one. So we heard the ding sound, it proceeded us to the next page, and now you notice that the white background has disappeared, revealing a portion of our hidden picture. And the item is now free to go into the box. So you're simply going to drag it over and put it right in the box. It goes right in. Now we need to find the next item that wants to go in. Okay, so we're going to just click around. So your student would say, I want stove, and then when it doesn't, want to go in, you can say, oh no, it's next person's turn, right? So you just click around until you find the next one, okay? And eventually the picture is going to be fully revealed. On this one, we notice that it is cupcakes. So actually on this page, when we put our last item in, we have a bonus circle here, and you get to click on it. You can also access that by hitting the navigation arrows up here. I put these here for your convenience, but you really don't have to use them at any portion of the game, but they're there if you need them just in case, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and click on bonus, and it takes us to the page where we get to make our own cupcake, all right? So once again, we have a movable kitty here, we have some sprinkle choices, and then we have 3 different flavors for our cupcake. So your student can say, I want vanilla cupcake, and then the sprinkles can go on top. Now, if you want to end the game, you would hit end game. And if you want to go back to choose another box, you'd go over here and choose again. So before I finish this tutorial, let me go ahead and show you the other 2 bonus games. So this was the bonus game we just played with the cupcake. Here is our other one, which is to make a pizza. So you can have your student put on the ingredients or say which one they don't like. Once again, you can also put it in the carrier sentence here, and end game and main menu to get back to whatever navigation windows you want to go to. Our very last game is going to be building a salad, and I think this is probably my favorite one. I love the ingredients in it, and I think it gives a lot of opportunities for language. So I hope you'll enjoy this page as much as the other ones. You can put it in whatever order you want, move the cat around, and just have fun with the pretend play activity. I hope you enjoy this game. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. You can find this on the Boom Learning Store at the Play Learn Talk store.